What's up, yo? Like, I don't even know what happened, but all of a sudden, I came down with a coughing fit and shit. And stuff. Seems I'd be allergic to, like, all different types of things. Like salt and pepper sickness and everything else through the doors and whatnot. And coughing. And coughing and spitting up stuff. Nose running like a faucet. Gosh. So I decided... to take some more medicine. I'm not for nothing. But I see over there, like, see, working situation that you see over there. It's a working situation now. AT's bad. Yeah. Getting things all situated and cleaned and everything. I'm like, wow. I made that cup of coffee. It's cold. Not as cold as that one. I was going to refresh that real quick. I take my medicine. So, this Sinex. Get another pocket tissue out. Clean the nozzle. Holy Jesus. What in the mud? Like, oh my God. Like, what the heck? It's all like coughing up everything. I want to say I need my lungs to breathe. I was coughing up. My goodness. Here we go. You see, my cough drop is still right there. I still ain't laid down yet. I'll have to take 2 more Benadryl. And, one more Dayquil. Another shot of elderberry. Elderberry and one. Wait, this is Mucinex Day. This is Dayquil, and this is Mucinex Day. Take one of each of those. Okay, so here we go. Hold on a minute. Excuse me, leaving camera view. I can open this stuff up. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I could not. Oh no. I could not believe it. It's a cough. I know it. It's all violently coughing and everything. I just took my medicine. I was like, oh my goodness. I could have literally broke down into tears if I didn't know I had more medicine today. I was like, I'm planning something. I'm doing stuff. Wait, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I'm glad somebody on the planet decided to be a medicine man. And then they decided, whoever they might happen to be doctors, no matter if it's Western civilization medicine or whatever the case might happen to be, as long as it's medicine. Because we like, anniversary past everything. And we're even married like 3 months, and we still conceiving everything. We just feeling it. We feeling everything. I can't be coughing like I ain't been taking medicine. I'm like, goodness gracious, God, holy heck. You know what I'm saying? Holy somebody. Please tell me, please tell me. I swear, I can't believe it. Alright, I got my medicine open. So here we go. Oh, shit, I dropped one. See? That's clumsy, dropping stuff left and right. Alright, here we go. This one will be the use next day. Okay. What is that? No, still running. Time to blow. Hold up. Okay. Okay. So one music next day. 1 day quill. 1 Benadryl tab. 2 Benadryl tabs. Alright, reverse that swig elderberry. Yeah, I can't believe I was supposed to be going now. And I make another cup of coffee that's hot. It's going not even a drop of steam.